Amsoil break-in oil. Amsoil break-in oil is an SAE 30 oil formulated without friction modifiers to allow for quick and efficient piston ring seating in new and rebuilt high-performance and racing engines. It contains zinc and phosphorus anti-wear additives to protect cam lobes, lifters and rockers during the critical break-in period when wear rates are highest, while its increased film strength protects rod and main bearings from damage. Amsoil break-in oil is designed to increase compression, horsepower and torque for maximum engine performance. The primary goal during engine break-in is to seat the rings against the cylinder wall. Properly seated rings increase compression, resulting in maximum horsepower. They reduce oil consumption and prevent hot combustion gases from entering the crankcase. To achieve this, the oil must allow the correct level of controlled wear to occur between the cylinder wall/ring interface while maintaining wear protection on other critical engine parts. Insufficient break-in leaves behind peaks on the cylinder wall that prevent the rings from seating. The deeper valleys allow excess oil to collect and burn during combustion, increasing oil consumption. Too much wear results in cylinder glazing due to peaks rolling over into the valleys and preventing oil from collecting and adequately lubricating the cylinder wall. Amsoil break-in oil's friction-modifier-free formula allows the sharp peaks on newly honed cylinder walls to partially flatten, see Figure 1. The result produces more surface area for rings to seat against, allowing formation of a dynamic seal that increases compression, horsepower and torque, see Figure 2. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Z-Rod today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to oilprotech.com and click on the Shop Now link. Thanks, have a great day.